Welcome in, all my friends and family. Lazy Retired Granny here today. And guess what? I have an unboxing for you today. Now this is two items that I purchased at the Hobby Lobby clearance sale in September. And the first item, the price on it, the original price, $14.99, and I got it for $3.74. And it is, I believe, a full canvas. And let's see, does it give me any more information? Okay, I don't see any more information on the outside of the box. And then the second item that I bought, these are stickers. And they were $9.99 marked down to $2.49. And I thought these were kind of fun. Let's look at these first. Let's see what's in here. It looks like that. Looks like I'm going to have to cut that open. There we go. Let's see what we get in here. So this says instructions. That's weird because this one says needle art world. I'm gonna have to look that up. Okay, and then we get a gray container, some pink wax, and a single placer for the stylus pen. Alright, so what else do we get in here? Oh, you only get 3 stickers? Oh boy, I don't think this was the greatest bargain. I thought it was going to be more stickers than 3. It says 20 projects. Alright, so I thought there was going to be 20 stickers in here, but alas, I was wrong. Okay, so here is the key. Okay, and let's look at the drills. So we get a yellow, pinks, white, black, kind of a green. Oh, these are ABs. Oh, that was an AB. And then some more here. These are round drills. Well, yeah, I thought there was going to be 20 stickers in here, but I got 3. Maybe that means it's going to take you 20 minutes. Because there's a clock right there. Oh, here we go. Stickers. Let me get my readers on here. I didn't read the back side. Stickers. 3. ready to decorate. Okay, well, I don't know, guys. I don't think this is worth $9.99, and I don't think it's worth $2.49. But it'll be fun to do. I won't be doing that again. Just my opinion. Alright, so okay. Put all this back in here. Whoops, I guess I opened up the wrong end because they're falling out the other end. Maybe I'll leave this out and do it up quick so I don't feel like putting it all back together. Alright. And I don't need the instructions. Alright. I've got that done. Alright, let's open this up. See what we got in here. Oh, what happened to my... I lost my knife. There it is. Okay, we got the canvas. Does it give a name on this? Oh, Seascape. It's over the... you know, the thing. Alright, it says it's a 30 by 30. Okay, yeah, it just says 30 by 30, so there's the thumbnail. Alright, let's open this one. That aside. Ooh, I like that. This canvas feels a little bit different than their usual one. Really slick. Alright. Let me roll this the other way so we can kind of take a look at it. Here we go. Well, you know, when I opened up that other one and I said it looked blurry to me, this one looks blurry too. Okay, this is their Leisure Art brand. But I think once you lay down the drills, it'll probably be fine. All right, let's look at the key real quick. So we've got letters in order. And then we've got symbols. And there's the drill field, which I know is going to be good. Always is. All right. Alright, what else comes in this? Okay, and this gives the instructions in case you need them. Okay, and let's see what this kit includes. For some reason, this kit feels heavy to me. Alright, you get the gray tray, and it's got the lower sides to it. Let me see if I've got... Okay, kind of, I don't know what I did with my... Oh, there it is. Alright, this is the Diamond Art Club tray. Yeah, that's the difference for the sides. They're lower, a lot littler. Okay. And then you get some bags. You know what? This is what made it heavy. Lots of bags in this one. Okay, and then we get the wax, which makes sure that when you use the wax that you take off the film that's on it. And there's 2 of them in there. And then, oh, they put the cushion grip on there for you. Yeah, because those are hard to put on. So it's the pin with the single placer, and then this is a multi-placer. I have no idea how many it multi-places. I am not a multi-placer, so one at a time for me. All right. Let's set that aside and let's take a look at the drills. See what we get. Now, their drills are always really nice. These are round. Well, we do have some bright colors in here, I think. Okay, let me bring you down. And let me move my cord out of the way. There we go. All right, here we go. Well, those are some bright colors, so that should brighten it up a little bit. Don't see any garbage in there. It's a really dark blue, navy blue, I guess. Got a couple hitchhikers in there. I don't see any ABs in this one. Okay, so that is that. So let me know if you got in on the clearance sale at Hobby Lobby. I think this will be fine once I lay down the drill. Let's check the stickiness of this. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I don't have too many of these Leisure Arts. I have the regular diamond dot ones. So, yeah, but yeah, I think it'll be fine. I think it's going to be fun to do. Lots of variety. It's a smaller canvas, so it won't take very long to lay down those drills. And once again, we got the border around it that you do not diamond paint, but everything else you do diamond paint. So it is a full canvas. So down in the comments, tell me what you think, and if you happen to snag this one or another one on the clearance sale in September. All right, thanks for watching, and I will chat with you later.